Nursing school is tough enough, your laptop shouldn't make it harder. In this video, we've handpicked 5 powerful yet lightweight options that keep up with your fast-pacing clinicals and late-night study sessions. Welcome back to the channel. All links are in the description, so let's find your perfect study partner today. The number 5 product on our list is KAIGERR LX15.6-inch laptop. Balancing clinical notes, lectures, and last-minute research demands a laptop that won't freeze up under pressure, and that's where this one delivers. The KAIGERR LX15 instantly calms the nerves with its lightning-fast 512 GB SSD and 16 GB RAM combo. Perfect for multitasking between virtual labs and pharmacology slides. Its crisp 15.6-inch IPS screen brings case studies to life, while the Intel N97 processor quietly powers through patient charting apps without draining energy or patience. For nursing students constantly shifting from classrooms to clinics, its lightweight design and robust battery life feel like a true lifeline. Unlike many entry-level options that lag when it matters most, this one feels like an upgrade from day one. It's not just a smart buy, it's a stress reliever disguised as a laptop. If you're looking for stability and speed on a nursing schedule, this may be the comfort zone you've been craving. Number 4 is Acer Aspire 15.6-inch laptop. Who knew a budget laptop could feel like a dependable study partner? The Acer Aspire 15.6 proves it can. With its Intel Core 3 processor and 8 GB memory, it breezes through note-taking apps, research tabs, and digital textbooks without slowing you down. The 1080p IPS display makes reading medical charts or watching lectures easy on the eyes, and Acer Blue Light Shield adds peace of mind during those long study nights. The dual USB-C ports and Wi-Fi 6 bring flexibility and speed, solving the constant struggle of unreliable connectivity. It's light, eco-conscious, and optimized with Acer Sense for daily efficiency. Sure, storage could be bigger, but the balance of speed, comfort, and reliability makes this a smart choice tested in real-world academic needs. The third one on our list is Naclud X15S 15.6-inch laptop. Balancing clinical rotations, late-night study sessions, and virtual lectures demands a laptop that doesn't slow you down, and the Naclud X15S delivers with unexpected confidence. Packed with 12 GB RAM and a speedy 512 GB SSD, it opens massive nursing ebooks and EMR systems without breaking a sweat. The vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD screen offers immersive clarity during anatomy videos, while the 180-degree hinge adds welcome flexibility during group discussions or bedside charting. Powered by a Celeron N5095A quad-core processor and backed by a long-lasting 7000 mAh battery, it stays responsive and cool through marathon sessions. It's surprisingly sleek despite its power, and the built-in dust-resistant cooling system offers peace of mind for long-term durability. With generous connectivity and TF card expansion, this machine feels thoughtfully tailored for students in clinical fields. For anyone craving a no-drama, dependable partner through the chaos of nursing school, this one stands quietly strong. On number 2 is Molegar 15.6-inch laptop. In a world where every second counts, especially for nursing students balancing labs, clinics, and lectures, the Molegar 15.6-inch laptop arrives as a quiet but powerful ally. It's built around a high-efficiency Intel N5095 processor, paired with 16 GB RAM and a lightning-fast 512 GB SSD. Which means multitasking through EMR systems, video calls, and pharmacology slides feels smooth and frustration-free. The 1080p IPS screen with eye protection tech is a real relief during late-night study marathons. And its lightweight 180-degree fold-flat design makes it effortless to carry through clinical rounds or group sessions. Backlit keys are a thoughtful touch for low-light settings, and a 2-year warranty adds extra confidence. While it might not handle heavy gaming, for nursing students who need dependability, clarity, and all-day comfort, this compact performer quietly delivers exactly what matters most. Reliable, thoughtful, built for students with no time to waste. Now moving to the last one is Lenovo IdeaPad 15.6-inch laptop. When nursing students juggle lectures, clinical notes, and research deadlines, every lag or freeze feels like a crisis. That's where the Lenovo IdeaPad 15.6-inch laptop quietly steps in as a reliable partner. Its 12 GB RAM and dual storage blends speed with peace of mind, letting you shift between pharmacology charts, Zoom calls, and ebooks effortlessly. The FHD anti-glare display stays crisp and kind to your eyes during all-nighters, and the lightweight build slips easily into any backpack. While it's not built for video editing marathons, it's more than capable for student life. The layout is smart, ports are well placed, and boot up feels instant. This machine offers that deep breath of relief when everything just works. If you're after practical power, wrapped in a clean, classroom-ready shell, this could be your new academic wingman, dependable for the long haul and built with your success in mind. Among all, the winner is Lenovo IdeaPad 15.6-inch laptop for its reliability, portability, and smooth performance, perfect for nursing school demands. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best laptops for nursing students. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.